Check out this 2002 BMW X5. Find everything you want in a ride under one roof with this vehicle. Get there fast. This engine is power-packed. Stand out from the crowd with premium wheels. You will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes. Indulge in the comfort of heated seats. Memory settings are just one of the extras. In addition to this great offering, take note of the many added conveniences of the features on this great automobile. If safety is a concern, know you're covered with this vehicle's features. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.